Ladies and gentlemen, we have another tutorial on how to get a CraftBukkit server on a Mac. So first, you want to open up a browser of any kind. You want to type in CraftBukkit. First, you don't want to go to Bukkit Forums. You want to go to CraftBukkit/Bukkit. So let's go to here, and you want to get the latest, the recommended development build. Right now it's 1.5.1. I click on that and I download that. And you want to hit the back arrow and you want to go to Bukkit Forums now. First you want to go to Get CraftBukkit. And if you're on a window, if you are on a Mac, Windows, Linux, or Mac. So I'm on a Mac, so let's copy this code right here. And so we copy this, and we can X out of it. While that's downloading, we make a new folder called whatever you want. Let's wait until the download's done, and let's find it. Oh, right here, and then let's drag it out right here. Drag it into the folder that you just made. Make sure to rename it to CraftBukkit. Nothing else but CraftBukkit. And now you want to open up a text document and you want to paste in that code from earlier. First you want to go to Format, Make Plain Text. And OK, and then it should be like that. You want to hit the X button and it should save like this, and you want to name it start.command, and it has to be start.command, so you can't name it anything else. You can put it wherever. I recommend desktop, and then use Unicode, and then just hit the save button, and it should put it at your desktop wherever you put it. You want to drag it into the folder you just made, and then you want to start up. And then wait, you don't have privileges. That sucks. So let's go to terminal. Type it in right here. Terminal. You can do chmod. You have to do chmod A+X space and drag in the start command. Remember, guys, to hit a space, because if you don't hit the space, it's gonna mess up everything. So let's hit enter and then close out this and then open it up again, and it should start making the server, like starting this, and have no IP yet. It's gonna start out everything, and it takes a little bit, but right when it's done and you start it up normally, it's gonna take like a second, unless you have plugins, and I'll get that to a little later. So right here we have it's done now. You can look at the commands by doing this, all the commands that it gives you. And let's just close it for right now. We're gonna close it, and usually you're supposed to do the stop button, but I didn't. So, anyways, here we have right here is all the stuff that you got. It's a little more different than the vanilla Minecraft server. Right here you have the plugins folder. And I'll get to that later. But right now, you want to go to server.properties, open it with TextEdit or anything. I use TextEdit, TextWrangler, whatever you want. So once it's open, let's go to IP right off the bat. Let's open up Hamachi, right? Sorry, but we're using Hamachi. I'll show you how to port forward in a separate video. Right here, you have your IP right here. You want to type in the IP, so it's 25.11.19. Leave everything else, whatever you can have. It's default. You can change this later. You can change the max players. You can change the game mode, creative or survival, difficulty, whatever you want. Pretty sure you guys all know that. So you want to hit the save button, and you want to start up your server again. Wait, first you want to do that if you want to be up and you want to build really quick. You want to type in your in-game name. And you want to save that too, as well. And then you want to start back up. And then it should server.log.lck, and then that's good. You want to open keep that open. Keep your console open, and I'm going to open up Minecraft, and that's a bad idea. Make sure if you guys were installing mods and I'm gonna do this really quick. I had a mod install that failed, so I'm going to bin and I'm going to delete this, make this Minecraft.jar. Sorry about that. I'm gonna open it and alright. Now you wanna go to direct here. And you want to type in the IP that you've typed in the server.properties. So, 96.2. Then you hit join server. So it's logging in. Yay! That's good, right? Yeah, it's very wonderful. Alright, so you're in your Minecraft world. That's really cool. You can build already because you're up. I'm pretty sure you're up. Yes, you are up. If you did /shop and you weren't up, it would have said you have no access and you couldn't build. So here's your wonderful world. If you guys want to get into plugins, very wonderful plugin. I'm going to go to a review right here now. We're going to go try to get a plugin now. So let's go get a plugin really quick. So let's open where you can get the plugins are. You can go to Bukkit, go to Get Plugins right here, and we'll let it load. Sorry about that. Okay, now we have everything here. So you have a bunch of stuff that you can give a little description of and everything like that. And so you can go get one of those and download. But this is a really good a plugin for you. I'll show you what it exactly does really quick. So you want to download this plugin. It's really good when you're building a sculpture, spawn, or whatever. This is a really good plugin. So let's hit the download button and then download it again, and it should come up with a zip. So let me open that zip. Alright, let me go get it, download it. It should open, it should have a zip, the zip, not the zit, the zip. So it's gonna be done downloading pretty soon. Alright, it is downloading, and then it should be right here. You wanna open it, and all this stuff should be right here. Don't worry about that. You just wanna go back to your folder, your server folder, and you wanna go to plugins and drag in there. And then you wanna go back and you wanna go to your console, and you wanna hit stop, and so it can stop everything. And once that's done, it says log out. Process complete. You can hit the X button, and you will start up the server back again. And it should say, right here, it should say your IP again, and then it should say world edit, enabling, good, and then it's done. And then you want to go back to the server, and then you'll type in /plugins, and it says you have one plugin, world edit. Then you want to get this magical wand. You want to do /wand. So say I want to make this as stone. I want to do that. Let me get the game mode one really quick here. Alright, so and then I want to turn this to stone. You set the line, and here we go. So set stone. Boom, there's a huge box. So here I have a wonderful thing I can create. I can go right here. I can build up like from right here. So I can grab a wood or something and grab like a piece of something and just like build up like right here and build like this. And then right click it and then set whatever. Set stone. Make it little walls. Do the same thing right here. And just type the same thing. And one more step. And there you go. And that's really easy because this took me about, I don't know, a minute or so to make this. And this would probably take a little bit to make this with this huge underground. Yeah, it would take a little while. But yeah, so that's why World is so cool. I recommend essentials and the essentials I recommend mostly any plugin you want. Just don't corrupt your files. Some plugins are outdated. Don't get the outdated ones. I know they look cool. I want a plugin really bad, but it's outdated. So don't get the outdated one as much as cool it is, because it can ruin your whole server, because I have experience with that. So guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate all the feedback you guys gave me, and I really hope that this works for you guys. Can you leave a like, please? I hope I can reach, I don't know, some 30 to 15 likes. But thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.